Hello everyone, welcome to this rapid-fire MCQ session on Introduction and Scope of Pharmacology. Answer fast and check yourself. Let's begin. Q1. What is pharmacology? A study of diseases. B. Study of drugs and their effects. C. Study of anatomy. D. Study of cells. Answer. B. Study of drugs and their effects. Explanation. Pharmacology is the science that deals with how drugs interact with biological systems to produce effects. Q2. Who is known as the father of pharmacology? A. William Withering. B. Oswald Schmiedebug. C. Hippocrates. D. Paracelsus. Answer. B. Oswald Schmiedebug. Explanation. He systematically studied the action of drugs on animals, laying the foundation of modern pharmacology. Q3. Pharmacology is broadly divided into A. Pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, B. Anatomy and physiology, C. Microbiology and biochemistry, D. Pathology and toxicology. Answer. A. Pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Explanation. Pharmacokinetics equals what the body does to the drug. Pharmacodynamics equals what the drug does to the body. Q4. Which branch of pharmacology deals with adverse effects of drugs? A. Clinical pharmacology, B. Toxicology, C. Pharmacognosy, D. Chemotherapy. Answer. B. Toxicology. Explanation. Toxicology studies the harmful effects and poisoning potential of chemicals and drugs. Q5. Clinical pharmacology mainly focuses on A. Drug discovery in labs, B. Drug use in humans, C. Drug effects in animals, D. Drug chemistry. Answer. B. Drug use in humans. Explanation. It bridges the gap between experimental pharmacology and patient care. Q6. The term pharmacognosy refers to A. Synthetic drugs, B. Natural drugs from plants and animals, C. Side effects of drugs, D. Clinical trials. Answer. B. Natural drugs from plants and animals. Explanation. Pharmacognosy studies biologically active compounds derived from natural sources. Q7. Pharmacokinetics includes which of the following processes? A. Absorption, B. Distribution, C. Metabolism and excretion, D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. Pharmacokinetics describes the ADME of drugs' absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Q8. Which branch studies the effect of drugs on the nervous system? A. Cardiovascular pharmacology, B. Neuropharmacology, C. Endocrine pharmacology, D. Chemotherapy. Answer. B. Neuropharmacology. Explanation. Neuropharmacology focuses on drugs affecting brain and nerve functions. That's it for our rapid-fire MCQs on Introduction and Scope of Pharmacology. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more quick MCQ sessions. Keep practicing and ace your exams.